Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix error IS-0009 on Epic Games using simple and effective methods. First, restart your computer to clear any temporary system or launcher issues. Next, open the Epic Games launcher and run it as administrator to avoid permission-related errors. After that, check your internet connection and restart your router, since unstable internet can trigger this issue. Then, clear the Epic Games Launcher cache by deleting the web cache folder in the launcher directory and restarting it. You should also make sure your Windows is fully updated, as missing updates can cause compatibility problems. Next, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall, because they can sometimes block the launcher. After that, verify your game files in the library to repair any corrupted data. Finally, reinstall the Epic Games Launcher if the error still persists. These steps should help you fix IS-0009 and get everything working again smoothly. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.